Hi, my name is Fernando Oliveira, and that is FoundryLand, your channel on YouTube and the platform in Instagram. Um, we have website foundry.land, and we will provide to you technical content about foundry process and metallurgical phenomenon. When you manufacturing, casting products, casting pieces. I'm here to talk to you and to talk with another foundry personalities to about technical about some topics in the process. Thank you for your time, and I really appreciate if you subscribe in that channel and active your notification to receive the alert about our videos. Thank you so much, and bye bye.